Hello everybody, today we're going to check the last 2023 collector year Hot Wheels as well as the start of the new year with the A and B mix. Filling up my collection with what I have missed, and this Barbie Corvette is one that I could not find when the mix was in the stores. It is a neat model, not only because it represents Barbie, the other brand under Mattel's roof, but because it is a well-made Corvette. It doesn't have that many details, but other than that, designers did a good job. Part of the L case, this Ford Mustang got me excited since I first saw it. Again, one that I could not find when the mix was first time in the stores. It looks amazing. Falcon liveries are always wanted and liked by Hot Wheels collectors. Yes, with the big wheels in the back, but I enjoy when I seen them on most castings. I actually liked it so much that I'm gonna open one so I can enjoy it out of the packaging. These castings are definitely better to be enjoyed like this, so I need to do this more often, on or off the camera. Lotus Emira is another cool sports car and its second color variation of the year. It has details, but unfortunately the same wheel as the previous versions. I'm not a fan of them, so I hope they will be changed in the future for this model. Leave a like if you believe it will look good with other rims. Continuing with the same theme, the Koenigsegg Camaro was also on its third color variation in this mix, having two more color variations released since. This casting doesn't have those rims, but I don't think black is the best choice on it. This Alfa Romeo was another casting that Hot Wheels collectors grabbed all the copies they found in the stores. I can see why, being a neat model with many details on it, like liveries on the sides, L4, half-dish wheels, and even has mirrors. By now, it also has a white release that we have seen in the A case unboxing video. M case is also one that I personally could not find often in the stores, or at least I could not get there in time. Dodge Challenger Demon is a muscle car I could not skip, and black is a neat color for it. Again, not many details on it, but considering it's not premium, we can get over it. Tesla Roadster has the details, also part of M case. It is a casting released all the way back in 2008. Yes, it is one of the old castings, one that we haven't seen in the mainlines in 2016 when it has been a super treasure hunt. It is a cool model, but we have seen it in orange before, more than one time actually. Another Roadster, part of the M case, this BMW i8 is the second color variation of the year. It's simple, nothing crazy on it, back details, European collectors love this one. I enjoy it, although I definitely enjoy other German brands more, like Volkswagen and Mercedes. Last casting of the mix, one of the best ones from it, Rimac Nevera. The second color variation of this hypercar, and if I haven't probably said it enough times, I love white variations, and this one is right there on top. The color is simple, no liveries or something crazy, but full detailed treatment and even side mirrors. The last casting of the M case in 2023 is the Volvo Recharge, an electric SUV that looks great, amazing actually. One of the few SUVs part of my collection. It's a new model, so it has all the details on it, mirrors and cool rims. Hot Wheels designers noticed that collectors like it, and they started 2024 with a color variation that still looks great, and it actually has more personality than the first one. Part of A case 2024, it's a case that we had the unboxing of on this channel, and we know the first few cases of the year are not great, but they do catch up fast. You can always subscribe so you can be the first to see the case unboxing videos. B case already steps up with a new color variation of the Corvette Stingray convertible. It's white, it's a Corvette, it has details on it, I enjoy it, couldn't miss from my collection. I might not get all the color variations in the future, but this one was not an option to pass. Another Corvette part of this mix, this C6, is another old casting, released in 2009. The orange and black color combo looks great, the lines in the middle and the black rims. I also enjoy Camaros, and the B mix has one as the super treasure hunt. Unfortunately, I did not find one in the stores, but besides those rims, I like everything about this new version. I also have a B case unboxing prepared this week, but with my luck and how tough it is to find a shortcut super treasure hunt around these parts of the world, I don't have my hopes high, but it will be interesting to see what a full case has. Of course, this mix has its own castings to be hoarded from the pegs, but one of the highlights is this variation of the Porsche Carrera that I dig in this yellow color. It's at its third color variation, and I have all three so far. Definitely a cool model with liveries, rims and details. one that I should definitely grab an extra to crack open. What I would not crack open are these old drag trucks, part of the Hot Wheels Classics, that I managed to get from a collector this week. This was a cool series back in the days with all metal castings, and as I said above, I enjoy collecting Volkswagens. If you enjoy collecting other castings, then check these case unboxings. You might find something there you like. Thank you for watching and have fun collecting.